Stumbling about my money, I would've went dummy and been crash. But I got this shit locked up, can't nobody stop us, young nigga. I'm chasing that big bag. Everybody around me, they clutching the fire. My younger day once, so I'm riding for him. He mugging, we up, and I hope that the
What it do? It's your boy OTC Ro, and welcome back to Rude Reviews, man. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Roast, dislike, do the most, man. Hit the notification button so you know when your boy is uploading to the tube. Hashtag Rude Ones in the comment section for a shout out on Friday, every single Friday. After that, man, I appreciate you rocking with your boy on our way, on our grind to 100,000 of them things, man. This is another Patreon video. Shouts to the boy on the Patreon, Chad, Annabelle. Shouts to the boy CA on the Patreon. If you want to help your boy out on the Patreon, send a link to the description. You go over there, you see what you see, you like it, you hop on, you don't, you hop off. Anyways, this is Naughty by Nature, Let the Hoes Go. Some old school hip hop. Naughty by Nature, my mom loves Naughty by Nature. She talked about them. She listened to them. I never really honed on into their music, so I really haven't heard maybe one or two Naughty by Nature songs that I can remember off the top of my head. Or something Anthem, and I can't remember the other one. But yeah, I've only pretty much heard two. So here we go. Let the Hoes Go.
Face me, tasty, tip of a tasty. Beach is as sweet as a pastry. You don't know me, homie. Follow Peach or the pony. I'm the only. Now your lyrics look lonely. Lyrically fortified, born. I'm immortalized.
That bell sound has been used in so many songs. It's been sampled in a shit ton of songs. Okay, here we go. This real old school flow. God damn.
You know me, homie. Follow Peach or the pony. I'm the only. Now your lyrics look lonely. Lyrically fortified, born. I'm immortalized. Lighting shit up from Wranglers and Rawhide. Packed with black positivity and wizardry. I'm my own party and built for partying. I rip parts apart as if it's my last rap. The Lord's abroad and I'm respected as that. Soul seniority, face the foundation. Bolos and donuts who have built the nation. Keep the faith case and keep your touch cut and keep your face away from the rough stuff. If it ain't rough, it ain't rugged. Either you're born with none or you're stacked and star-studded. From the intro to end, I will flow and all.
Damn, he's spitting, man. The old school type, that shit, the feel of the old school flow and just the presence, the confidence, the delivery, it grasps you. Especially if you love hip hop like me.
Your face away from the rough stuff. If it ain't rough, it ain't rugged. Either you're born with none or you're stacked and star-studded. From the intro to end, I will flow and also, yo, come let the hoes go. Let the hoes go. My friend Mac 10, sitting back, packed and macking.
A couple homies I can send this shit to. Let the hoes go. Caught up in all that pussy, boy. Caught up, man. Let them females go, man.
My friend Mac 10, sitting back, packed and macking, thirsting for action, working and smacking. The last of the allies, smoke 'em up, shall I or should I? I'm sure to give it a good try. No need for a survival kit, there's none left to fix. They've all been blown in the dustbins, floating in space, spinning in infinity. Part of the stardust, the end of any identity. Lost in the sauce, no course on the boards, getting north, east or west. They've all been blown in the dustbins, floating in space, spinning in infinity. Part of the stardust, the end of any identity. Lost in the sauce, no course on the boards, getting north, east or west to south, break north. You're about as mature as a guard dog in the graveyard, acting inspired, so you rap it on to play hard. I got the knack to wax and I ain't trying to fall back. I rock like I'm the top, they're real, cause I'm all that. It's my way or the highway, forget your friends, cause I stick that ass like I was sticking a contact lens. Let the hoes go. Let the hoes go. You say you're hitting hard, I say you're hardly hitting. I'm getting quick like a pussy in a kitten mitten. I'm getting greater than greater, sucker catch you later. Keep getting paid. Say you're hardly hitting. I'm getting quick.
That's one thing about the 80s and the 90s, that older music, the humor, the seriousness with the humor mixed into it. Even though he's being serious when he says that, it's the generalization of, oh man, that's funny. Saying it out loud. You think it and everybody knows it, but when you say it out loud, it sounds it sounds more funny, and it brings the humor to the rap scheme.
You say you're hitting hard, I say you're hardly hitting. I'm gripping quick like the pussy in a kitten mitten. I'm getting grand and greater, sucker catch you later. Keep getting paid with the fade of a space invader. You're looking moonstruck, then you start to talking tough. To say you're sorry like I really give a motherfuck. You little lick, don't you think that was the wrong approach? A squad father named Church is shorter up and smoke ya at any time, anywhere for anyone to cause. I got a double barrel buster saying give me yours. Then I'm a Jackson a flash, duck and go for cover. Cause I have warrants for this robbery and many others. Another gangster, blowing like an angry anchor. Dropping you and getting mad if you don't say thank ya. The clip clock and kill us, it blows my cat.
And these niggas ain't talking about shooting up niggas the whole party. They talking about doing they dirt, but I guarantee these niggas was more gangster than half the rap game out right now. Especially these new little niggas. You know, little basketball, little belt, you know what I'm saying? Little laundry basket, little Jordan, you know, little phone charger. I'm sure they stay more gangster than them niggas.
It blows my caddy crew. I got a contract on your life, now they're after you. So don't try to hide or apologize. Apologies ain't gonna be the franchise is wise. So if you know what I mean, and have a hot block, and never ever seen a day when the money stops. You gotta put up fist up just to let me know. They gotta pump it hard and let the hoes go. Let the hoes go. Let the hoes go. Competition on canvas, never have I heard a tongue. Throw a word to me without it being fucking hung. Give it a new job, neck 'em up and keep 'em learning. Should I have project?
A lot of verses, but the hook is extremely slow. So he's already spit like 4 verses in less than 3 minutes, or 3 verses in less than 3 minutes, instead of a minute 15 left in the song. Real quick on the hooks and medium-sized verses.
I have projects in the days of Mississippi burning. I love to see the white sheet hit the concrete and see the head go up and down from 1,000 feet. Cause the brothers round my way don't even play all that. They see a sheet in the cross, they say, oh, give me that. Halloween in Illtown, now don't you be a ghost. Cause you could get your broke or even worse smoke. Now this rhyme has been called lyrically loco, but it had to have the flow to let the hoes go. Let the hoes go. Let the hoes go.
Hey, scratching. So this song has been sampled quite a bit. I can't figure out what song off the top of my head that sampled this that I'm thinking of right now. I got the cadence and the flow of the song. I just can't remember the name of the song or the artist, but I remember the beat. But yeah, man, Naughty by Nature. My mom like I said, this is the group my mom, she loves Naughty by Nature. I never really got into them, but man, I am now. Let the hoes go, man. Shouts out to Chad, Annabelle on the Patreon for this. Anyways, man, it's your boy OTC Roll. Let me know if you liked the video. Let me know if you didn't like the video. Flow, cadence, energy, all there. Realness, confidence, word placement, all there. Old school flow. Anyways, man, it's your boy OTC Roll, and I will see you when I see you.